Today we will discuss about setting levels elevation base in Revit. First of all, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Like and share also. We create a new model in Revit using architectural project template for understanding setting level elevation base. First, we go in site view and see two icons overlapping each other. I move one icon. Triangle shape icon is survey point and the round shape icon represent the project base point. I already explained survey point, project base point and internal origin in my previous video Revit coordinate system. I have provided the link of this video in the description below. Now we go to an elevation view. In elevation, these icons are hidden, so we have to reveal hidden elements. The elevation of level 1 is 0. If we change project base point by unclipping it, the values are accordingly affected because the level elevation base is set on project base point. For confirmation, we select level and go to edit type in properties palette. In the elevation base, the value is set on project base point. If we change elevation base with the second option, survey point, the level will change accordingly. If we move survey point with clip position, the levels will change according to elevation of survey point. Typically, this option will be used if you want levels to refer to sea level instead of building points. So, in today's topic, we have studied the setting level elevation base topic in Revit. I hope you understand it. Stay tuned for more educational videos. BIM Talks.